Welcome to the learning channel at Talk Procurement. We will moving forward with more terminologies in the procurement, and today our terminology is corporate social responsibility, which is known as CSR, a business approach that contributes sustainable development by delivering social, environmental, and economic benefits for all the stakeholders. So it's known as a corporate social responsibility. Sustainable policy, a document regarding ways to reduce environmental impact while it's protecting present and future generations. So it's known as sustainability policy. The purpose of this policy is to make the environment healthy supply chain, a system of organization which people or and activities involved in getting a product or services from the supplier to the customer. All this process from buying the product from supplier and delivering to the customer doorstep is known as the supply chain. Upstream, getting the raw material needed for the production from the source or tire suppliers is known as the upstream, and the manufacturer or the production organization, they are procuring the raw material or buying the raw material from their own tire suppliers so that they can produce a product. All this process on this stage is known as the upstream. Downstream, processing the raw materials into the finished product and delivering to the client or the customer is known as the downstream. In the procurement, if you make a chart, you will see the upstream and downstream. And the organization who is producing the product, they will buy the product from different sources. They will manufacture the product and convert all the raw material into the finished product. Then it's moved to the downwards to going to the customer or the client from the supplier side. Original equipment manufacturer, the company whose products are used in the manufacture of its own or another organization products, that's known as the original equipment manufacturer, and it is also known as OEM. So example, Dell, Ford, and Kia, they are the manufacturer and they're using the product in its own and other organizations is known as the original equipment manufacturer. Audit, a systematic inspection of the process or procedure to assess compliance with the requirements or regulation is known as the audit. The systematic inspection, that making sure that all the process is going very ethical, there's no unethical activities is going on. Material requirement planning, which is very important also in the procurement department, is known as the MRP. The material and production planning system used in manufacturing environment is known as the MRP, which is material requirement planning. So in the procurement department, the procurement is making sure that all the product, all the materials has been produced in the proper systematic way. There is no excess quantity has been produced and there is no less quantity has been produced to have a shortage. So they make sure that what they are producing, it is really required and there is a requisition available against MRP, or MRP is a very advanced process in any ERP system which procurement department controls. I hope that all these terminologies will add more value and better understanding about the procurement cycle. This will enhance your skills and expertise in this department. For more learning, keep watching my channel.